Hi guys, just wanted to chat with you after the 2 days. दोनों दिन बहुत लंबा था, but फिर भी I think we came away with what we wanted. First day के बाद I think a lot of you were wondering कि strategy क्या है, but I think we stuck to what our strategy was. जब रिंकू मिला 21 पे तो थोड़ा unlock हुआ था और एक रेडर के पीछे जाने के लिए, but we still had a limit yesterday, and I think actually I'm glad we stuck to that limit because that was the plan today, and that's why we were able to get Parvesh. We got Parvesh back at 25. I think he was a great addition to get. Fir, to get Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi, he was someone that really played well for us in the Yuva All-Stars. He was the leading raider in the Yuva All-Stars Championship as well, and the best raider there. फिर उसके पीछे भी the second best raider in Yuva All-Stars, जो actually उतने मैच खेला भी नहीं, Anil Mohan. And that was, I guess, the surprise of the entire auction for many people. D category में एक raider 80 तक जा रहे हैं, तो it's a huge deal. And I think it was a great battle with Jaipur Pink Panthers to secure Anil Mohan. उसमें तो हमारा मैथमेटिक्स चैलेंज हुआ था, हमारा सोच, हमारा स्ट्रैटेजी, because we needed to make sure that we got Sandeep, a right raider, at a very perfect cost. If we had spent maybe more than 2 or 3 lakhs more, we wouldn't have been able to get Anil. लेकिन दोनों मिला. Sandeep as a right raider last year with Patna, last 2 years actually with Patna has been fabulous. एक इंजरी हुआ था उसके, लेकिन उसकी वजह से भी he wasn't able to play and finish the season. He was still a starting 7 member there, so we're really glad to have Sandeep now, so he adds to our raiding abilities. Fir Ravi Bhati, our right corner. I think behind Rinku now we've got a very solid right corner combination. Ravi Bhati is an excellent young right corner and is a perfect able ally for Rinku as well. Mohammad Gorbani, I really want you guys to go check out what he does. Right cover में, left cover में, वो दोनों खेल सकते हैं. He's a really good raider, fabulous all-rounder from Iran. So he comes in with a lot of pedigree, a lot of experience, having played for Iran on the international stage as well. And lastly, Amarjeet, an exciting young raider to get as well. So yeah, we got exactly what I think we were looking for. I know आप सभी को emotion थोड़ा ज़्यादा है जब हम एक प्रदीप को छोड़ते हैं या एक फजल को छोड़ते हैं या एक मनिंदर को छोड़ते हैं, लेकिन हम भी एक तरीके से हम जा रहे हैं, हम भी एक प्लान के साथ हम जा रहे हैं, और अगर उस प्लान के साथ हम पिछले सीजन्स में भी नहीं गए तो you would not have got an Ajit Chauhan, you would not have got an Arjun Deshwal, you would not have got a Siddharth Desai. And I think you need to remember that coaches ये scouting के ऊपर बहुत काम करते हैं, and you've got to trust that we are trying to find the next superstar for you guys as well. So thank you for all the support. I'm so happy to get Parvesh and Sunil back together. It's going to be an exciting season, a tough season, because all the teams have built good teams as well. But yeah, very happy. Coaches are happy. Sunil is happy. So yeah, that means we're happy as well. Thanks for your support, Mandali.